They were super professional. They knew what they were talking about. They explained everything to me, which you don't get that anymore. Everybody's like in and out and just send you the bill or whatever. But it was awesome. The air conditioning just stopped and you could sort of hear it happening. And of course, I'm getting ready to go somewhere. And I was like, well, the first place I called was who's on the sticker on my unit, and nobody answered. And it was a Saturday. It was around 10 o'clock in the morning. And I made 2 or 3 more phone calls. And finally, on the 4th call, someone at Cardinal answered. So I was super happy for that. And she was awesome. I don't remember her name, but she was awesome. And she said, listen, I'm going to have a tech call you in about 20 minutes. And it just put you at ease right away that somebody was on it and you didn't have to worry or keep calling. Trey called me, said he would be here in about an hour. And I told him I was leaving. And if it was all right, if he felt comfortable being here with me gone, he came in. He was here for a good hour, hour and a half, just doing a diagnostic, and called me. He kept texting me throughout his whole visit here. So this happened on a Saturday. Someone was here on Tuesday morning, all fixed up. It was awesome. It was great. They were on time. They showed up when they said they were going to be here. So I was super happy about all that. Just because of the excellent service I got from Cardinal that day into the next week, in the communication, all of it's rare. Everything about Cardinal is rare, and you guys stand out above everyone else that I've had to deal with. I've already told people randomly at the gym and at work about you guys, and it's just funny how when I say Cardinal, everyone's like, oh yeah, we use Cardinal too, so it's just nice to know that. I didn't really have anyone to call or to recommend, so when I was Googling, obviously Cardinal came up and I saw all the awesome reviews, and I just pulled the trigger and made the call. So it was awesome.